Make your motorcycle ride more twisty. Go ahead and select Create Ride. Toggle on Twisty Roads, which is this icon. This is going to give an explanation of what it is. Click OK to exit out. Go ahead and enter your destination. I'm going to select Denver for easy purposes. So this is going to give you the twistiest route to this destination. If you want to see what the route looks like, you can toggle off Twisty Roads here. So that's the more direct route, that's the interstate. Toggle it back on. There you can see it's much twistier. Select Next. You're going to go ahead and save this ride. I'm going to say save and ride now and use turn-by-turn directions. Then go ahead and enter your ride details. Pick your vehicle, your surface type, and go ahead and go ride.
You have arrived at your destination.